Now, let's welcome Realme x2 Pro full-speed flagship. Let's start from the design. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Realme x2 Pro used the nano machining technology to produce an exquisitely transparent glass with a delicate texture. And this time, we have two colors, Neptune blue and lunar white. It's when the sea meets the moon. Inspired by the powerful and mysterious sea, we create the Neptune blue. Inspired by the dazzling light of the moon, we create the lunar white. Brightness with dazzling texture. Realme x2 Pro has adopted the nano-scale technology machine. It is several times more expensive from the cost, but we all think it's worth it. We bring a 2.5D front glass and a 3D full curved back glass with the cunning grill of 5 as the protection. It uses the 3D hot burning process to make the phone fit into your hand perfectly and resistant to falls and scratches. As we all know, the material plays a very important role to make the phone feel comfortable in your hand, right? As you can see in this picture, except the antenna area, Realme x2 Pro is made of metal and glass only. On the front, it uses an elegant mini drop on the top to place the front camera and the sensor. Thanks to its screen body ratio reaches up to 91.7%. So next, let's light up the screen and see how it works. First, it's a 90 Hz fluid display. I know all of you want to know. So the display is a 6.5-inch Samsung Super AMOLED display, Full HD+. More importantly, the panel features the new E3 sunlight screen. The peak brightness reaches up to 1000 nits. The peak contrast ratio reaches up to 2 million by 1. And besides, it supports the hardware DC dimming. More importantly, the panel features the new E3 sunlight screen. The peak brightness reaches up to 1000 nits. With the outstanding screen quality plus the high refresh rate, the Realme x2 Pro gives you a very enjoyable viewing experience. So Realme x2 Pro supports the in-display fingerprint unlock. Thanks to its brightness, it can receive stronger signal, so the unlock speed is even faster than the normal one. 64 megapixel quad camera. So the main camera is the groundbreaking Samsung ISOCELL GW1. The second one is the 115 degrees ultra-wide angle lens, which also supports the macro function. The third one is the telephoto of 13 megapixel. And the third one and the fourth one is the portrait lens. So such a full camera combination, it enables multi-functions for you to capture high-quality photos in various scenarios. A flagship, of course, comes with the flagship chipset. So Realme x2 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 855 Plus. So also we have a basic version of 64 gigabytes, and that version comes with the UFS 2.1. But UFS 2.1 is still a flagship level. What's more, we even have a beast version. It is 12 plus 256. It is super smooth, super fast. So Realme x2 Pro is really a full-speed flagship. So what's more crazy? Yeah, it comes with 50 watts Super VOOC flash charging. Let's take a look at the video. Yeah, besides, it also has a 4,000 mAh battery with 2. So coming to the speaker, Realme x2 Pro supports the dual stereo speakers. Besides, it also supports the Dolby Atmos technology. Yeah, very great sound quality. So in order to make the phone run longer at its peak performance, we have implemented the VC liquid cooling system, plus the superconducting carbon fiber. Supports the new dark mode, giving you a very immersive viewing experience. Okay, that is pretty much about the Realme x2 Pro, the full-speed flagship. Basic version of 6 plus 64, the price is 399 euros. The price for 8 plus 128 is only 449 euros. Beast version, 12 plus 256 is 499 euros.